At RPWORLD, we offer in-house anodizing as part of our one-stop manufacturing service. Whether you need anodizing for 1 or a million parts, our anodizing facility supports from low volume to full-scale production with reliable results. We have 5 key anodizing processes for metal parts, including anodizing, hard anodizing, passivation, black oxide, and copper passivation. Each supports different material and performance needs. Each finishing step, from pretreatment to sealing, is performed under strict standards, with precise control over oxide thickness, surface hardness, and more, to ensure finishing quality. Take hard anodizing for instance. It typically requires a layer between 25 and 150 microns, with surface hardness up to 500 HP. As the layer gets thicker, outer hardness may decrease and surface roughness can increase. We will take all this into account when meeting your specs and balancing performance. But across all of these processes, the real challenge lies in control. Even a second too much or too little can change the finish thickness or the color. That's why precise timing and expert control, not just compliance, are key to consistently delivering qualified anodizing. The acid concentration in our anodizing baths is also strictly monitored, since levels naturally change during production. Our lab team performs regular testing and makes timely adjustments to keep everything within specifications. Additionally, we perform comprehensive quality inspection to ensure quality finishing. The constant temperature and humidity testing is conducted at 60 degrees Celsius and 95 humidity for 48 hours, confirming your parts remain stable under extreme conditions. UV aging tests run over 72 hours to check resistance to long-term light and humidity exposure. During salt spray testing, we use a 5-sodium chloride solution at a pH of 6.5 to 7.2, applied over a 72-hour cycle to assess corrosion resistance in neutral, high moisture conditions. We also evaluate finishing performance through hardness testing, gloss measurement, and more to ensure your part quality. In addition to anodizing, we offer a wide range of surface treatments including painting, powder coating, plating, printing, and more. These options meet your specific aesthetic and functional needs, taking your parts to the next level of perfection. We care about the environment and our people. At our facility, all wastewater goes through the treatment equipment to ensure the water is harmless and clean. Water ventilation and acid fume control systems keep the air clean for our team. It's all part of our ESG practice. Contact us for engineered surface solutions.